Hello, this is Paul Byer with Precision Crop Management. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a fertilizer application to your field using the Precision Crop Management mobile app. So once you're logged into the app, we can select the field in which we're wanting to make this application in. Today we're going to go over two different types of applications, an application that's through the pivot and then an application that's made using an implement. Select the field in which you'd like to make the application in, and then we're going to click on the top right hand corner where those three dots are and select Add Fertilizer. Here is where you can customize your application. First, select through pivot. Once you have selected that, your second option will be what type of fertilizer. Select your type of fertilizer and a date. You have the option to enter a starting gallons and an ending gallons in a pivot tank. Once you have done this, it will figure the amount of fertilizer that was used on the entire field and also figure your nitrogen applied per acre. From here, we can push Save. As you can see now, back on the field summary page, that our nitrogen applied is 30.63 pounds an acre. Now we are going to add another fertilizer event. Select with an implement, select your fertilizer type and your event date. Enter the amount of gallons that was used, and as you can see, the nitrogen per acre was figured for you again. The last thing I want to demonstrate for you today is how our ongoing process works when you're in the process of making an application. Select Add Fertilizer, and we're going to select through the pivot as our method. Next, select your fertilizer type, select a date, and this time only enter a gallon amount as the starting gallons. Click Save. Here you can see that you have a pending fertilizer event. This means that you are currently applying fertilizer. From here, simply push on the pending, and it will bring up your sheet right where you left off. Now that you have finished your application, you can select your gallons amounts of your ending gallons in your pivot tank, and it will figure how many pounds of nitrogen an acre you have applied. Once we select Save and we are brought back to this page, you will then see that the pending fertilizer event is no longer there. And that is how you add a fertilizer event using our PCM mobile app.